no or the on funny time when you go cry what na say I twen say mo beti nka oya nyumtini kese pa ofi sehwema mu ha anso Ghana bebia obi ehu nani ba no atene nyum ne be di nkomo We have a lot of stories coming up today on the show. Upon the entertainment tidbits, bro. Our story be on Shatawale. Shatawale, I think say be Abama Shatawale. Mekani in actual was shown as well. So, unim American rapper and then executive producer, Sean Diddy, first friend of Puff Daddy. Ni hon sensem so aba ye woni nyina wo show no so na excellent ye ba wakwa aba eba 92.7 FM I Liberty FM show I would say a Liberty Entertainment Review show excellent Me I make say your friend Evans who bet me a friend KB. Welcome Akwaba. Me can say we say me you can Akwaba na ana you can Akwaba na. Aha, Akwaba. Wezo lu. Your podcast Big shout out to Mr. Michael Entry, principal for Sevier also nursing and midwifery training school. Big man, I will call you right back. Why? I will call you. We are streaming live on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and I think YouTube. Yeah, into betimi akọ all these social media handles CCR. Handle needing the at My Liberty FM Okoha betimi ehun bibia ekoso wo studio asisi. No one who surprise na me dey abramo na ewia no. Surprise me nya kan ho asem na se me sha se me bo ne nyum na obehu nipa kra me kan ho asem. Mo share on Facebook, just keep the numbers going, share the link. Mumaya hit 2K in the next 30 minutes. Mumaya hit 2K CCR on Facebook, especially Facebook, TikTok, and then YouTube. You can stream it, share it. Ma obia wadam for bia obia share. Just share the link to them. We have a lot coming up today. And can file for the nibi. Share the link. And your 2K CCR. And then you can leave your messages on our social media handles and we'll read it live on the show. Yes, why the phone in and our SMS numbers so then you can bring your questions. Question be our person bisa the legend any in sema ebedi hu komo yina no you can send it to us na ya kind yina ma wo show no so and unim say on Thursday we also municipal assembly MC Dominic Jesse Edano honorable Dominic Jesse Edano elanche the Cocoa City Experience 2025. It was really a colorful event. I'm on for by palm and fekama. MC Eddie Sembi Tuja and Deputy CEO for GTA Ora Abeku Santana and so by Eddie Sembi Etuja ahim phone so by and Nana Elio Payne so by Eddie Sembi Tuja Fedodo, Charlie. You need to see the pictures. I watch social media. Coming up into just tune in. Man, you if you didn't free have a basis here near 12 so.
Where the dust rises, the kings are made. No throne, no rope, just a shadows shed. Brick by brick, we built from pain. Under the streets lights, we carve our name. The ones